Natchiappan? Sri Natchiappan? Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
I support this bill, but at the same time, we find that on the basis of the international conventions, nothing is brought to the notice of the parliament. Every time, the executive takes the power. At present, the constitution allows the executive to go for any negotiation with the international bodies. But what we are afraid of is the making the presentation before the House is making the presentation before the people. Therefore, people should know this will be the compensation, this will be the agreement, this will be the Montreal Convention, this is the thing happening it. This is not at all brought to the notice of the House of the both the houses of the Parliament. Therefore, gradually, the executive powers are dominant over the legislative power of both the houses. Therefore, what we are requesting is, whenever you are making any conventional agreements or any negotiations, kindly make a statement at least before the Parliament that under the convention, we are changing so and so matters, we are fixing the compensation like this, we are fixing the tariff like that. This is the way we are working on that, because it is an international convention which is binding upon us, because we are having a globalized economy. Therefore, this matter should be to the notice of the House at least, because both the amendments are taking away all the powers of the legislature to the executive. Executive is keeping it quiet. It can be a notification. It can be a meaning according to the law. Notification means it is a declaration throughout the country. But the stakeholders alone will know it. But common man will not know about it. But they are bound about it. They are bound by if there is a passenger has lost their life, their family is to be bound by this convention. What is the damages you are fixing for that? Loss of a luggage or any such thing, it is bound by this convention. Therefore, everything is bound by the convention. We are making an international law which is not at all accepted by the domestic legislation, followed up action, because we can't take it like that. Huge international laws are made up. That is why we are requesting, when there is any commitment into the international convention, that should be brought to the notice of the House by way of a statement made by the concerned minister, nodal ministry. This is the convention on which we are working on that. At least that notice should come. That should be the notice to the common man who is bound by that. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much. Now, Sri